Hey, Scout Trooper, look over there.
Hold on a second. Ah, right in the head. Good shot.
Hi, I'm Isaac, but you can call me the Lego Stud, and this is my dad.
Hi, I'm Ben, and today we are going to be building a Father's Day set. I've been waiting for this for so long. Finally have it. The Razor Crest. We interrupt this YouTube video to bring you a very important announcement. We just hit 100 subscribers.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
So we want to know, those who have subscribed, what kind of videos are you guys liking from us? Leave a comment below. All right, so let's open it and get to it.
Yes.
Oh, I've been waiting so long for this. I know lots of other YouTubers like to use a fancy knife to cut open their Lego boxes, but scissors work just as well. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, bag one.
One.
You call them.
Bag one. Bag 6.
Bag. A windshield piece, your favorite windshield pieces.
Yes.
And bag 3.
Bag 3.
Let's get building.
Yes.
Push all the way. Dun dun dun! What do you think?
It's cool. It's really cool.
On the top, there is an escape pod in case there's an emergency. You can fit a minifig in there and you can see his face through the peephole. It easily detaches because it's only attached by one jumper plate. Furthermore, the door of the escape pod pops off pretty easily because it's only attached by 2 studs. This is a great play feature. The Lego Stud always uses it when he plays with this set. On the sides and the backs, everything folds down to reveal the inside. On one side, we have Mando's sleeping area. You can attach his feet to the bottom 2 studs and then he lies down and takes a nap. He's had a rough day fighting all the bad guys anyway. A little further down, we have the cargo hold that comes with 2 bounties, frozen in carbonite. They have 1x2 tiles on the top, which allows them to slide in easily and slide out. Perfect for when you need to return your bounties to Greef Karga. On the other side, there is a place to store extra ammo and weapons, including the extra spring-loaded bullet, because the set comes with 3. First of all, the ship's blasters are spring-loaded. You better make sure you know where those are pointing before you shoot, because they go far. Let's take out some scout troopers.
I got you.
Okay, shoot me again.
Okay.
No, this side.
Oh, okay.
Oh, through my defenses.
Blue Jays beat the Red Sox 18-4.
18-4. The Blue Jays beat the Red Sox 18-4.
Whoa!
We should tell M&D Productions that. Oh, should we shoot the box? That's what we should shoot.
Oh yeah.
Hold on, I'll get the box.
I'm gonna shoot it.
Wait.
I'm gonna shoot it. Okay, shoot the box. Whoa!
Wait, let's line it up. All right, hit it from the back. Got him. Next, Isaac's favorite piece, the windshield. It pops off easily, and underneath we see 2 seats for Mando and Baby Yoda. One thing that I think is missing in the cockpit is that they don't have the little silver ball that Grogu loves to play with on the show. That would have been a really easy detail to add in. Now behind the windshield, this gray piece pops back. There isn't much to do in this area, but I guess you could attach some weapons here. The windshield pops right back on super easily. This is great because even a 4-year-old can operate it. Now the whole set sits on 3 ski pieces, which I actually think work really well. The Lego stud can swoosh around the Razor Crest very easily and land it without breaking off the landing gear. This is actually an incredibly important feature for vehicles. There are too many sets that rest so precariously on their landing gear, and I always have to fix them after Isaac lands the ship too hard. Weak landing gear is okay for a display piece, but this Razor Crest is not primarily a display piece. It is meant to be played with.
This is the Mandalorian. He has his old armor before he gets his Beskar armor. He comes with his blaster rifle. It makes people disappear when he blasts them. Under his helmet is just a black head because in the show, it doesn't want anyone to see his face. This is the IG droid. He has the same body as a battle droid. His neck is a wrench piece, and his head is a little printed piece that goes on top. He also has 2 blasters. He has a normal small blaster, and he has a big blaster, big long blaster. And the big long blaster goes on his back. Greef Karga. The cool thing is because Greef Karga comes with 2 blasters. He has black hands. Actually, he has like dark brown hands and red legs with no printing. His torso has some nice printing on the front and the back. He has 2 faces, one that's smiling and one that is angry. The Scout Trooper is really cool, and he comes with a blaster and a neat helmet.
Can I talk about him for a second?
Okay.
I think that this Scout Trooper looks amazing. But as I did some research, I learned that the reason it looks so amazing is because this is the 6th iteration of the Scout Trooper minifig. In fact, they updated it again just for this Razor Crest set.
The minifig we've all been waiting for.
It's really like a mini fig, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Baby Yoda. He is tiny. Like really tiny. Here's normal Yoda and here's Grogu. Alex, can we play now?
Yeah.
Mando, come and protect me, you must.
I'm busy right now. I'll do it later. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's a commotion. I need to go help them.
Force push.
Here, where's the Scout Trooper?
Too late you were.
Ugh.
Defeated he is.
Space horses. We need space horses. It wouldn't be Star Wars without a space horse.
Dun, 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 dun. Hi, Space Horse. I'm Elsa.
Hi, Elsa. I'm a space horse.
Hey, Scout Trooper, look over there.
What is it? Hold on a second. Ah, oh, right in the head. Good shot.
Pew, pew, pew.
I wanna get it.
Don't worry, guys. We can take all day. The scout trooper will never hit us with his blaster.
Okay.
Okay. Everybody aboard? All right. We got mini dolls. We got space horses. We got Princess Belle. We got the crew of the Razor Crest. Pew, 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 pew.
You can't defeat us now.
You blasted them to pieces. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked our video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.
Bye. See you next time. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Blast off.